Hi friends, thank you for tuning into my YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful Irish crochet lace motif today. I am going to be using a 2.5mm crochet hook and this red yarn. So to start off with, we're going to go ahead and just secure our yarn. You can go ahead and do a magic ring if you wish to. I do not. I secure my yarn just by twisting it like this. Go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. And go in that first stitch there and slip stitch. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Chain another 3, 1, 2, 3. Gonna go ahead and place a double crochet in the center here. So we've now got 2 bars, 1 and 2. Chain 3, double crochet. We've now got 1, 2, 3 bars. Chain 3, double crochet in the center. Chain 3, another double crochet in the center. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need one more. 1, 3 chains, and the last double crochet in the center. Now we're going to go ahead and chain 3 and count 3 chains up. Go ahead and slip stitch right here. That's row 1 complete. Chain 3. We're going to work in these spaces here. So double crochet. That first double crochet always counts as 2. So 1, 2. We're going to do one more double crochet, and now we're going to make a picot stitch. So chain 3, and we're going to go in between these 2 chains here and just do a single crochet. That's a picot stitch. Now double crochet 3 times. 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and repeat that another 5 times. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 3. We need to make that picot stitch, and now 3 double crochets. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, chain 2. Next space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, picot stitch, slip stitch, single crochet there, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, same thing in the next space, 3 double crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2. Now in that next space, same thing, 3 double crochet, chain 3 for the picot stitch, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 2, and the same thing in that last space. So 3 double crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, 3 double crochet, and now chain 2, and we are going to stitch 3 chains up. So 1, 2, and 3. That is row 2 complete. Let's move on to row 3. We're going to work in these spaces here where we've done the chain 2 in the previous row. So go ahead and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We've chained 3 to get onto row 3. Now chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to place 6 double crochets in this space here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Place 6 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now the next space is here. 6 double crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now this is the next space here. 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 5 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In, and this is the next space. We're going to put 6 double crochets in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here's the last space here. Here we're going to put 5 double crochet, not 6, because we're going to single crochet 3 chains up, and that's going to form 1 double crochet bar for us. So 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 3 double crochet, 4 double crochet, 5 double crochet. And now we're going to count 3 chains up, 1, 2, 3, and slip stitch. So that's now made our 6th one. That is row 3 complete. Let's now look at the final row. Now for the last row, in these chain spaces that we've got here, we're going to work picot stitches, and we're going to work 6 double crochets as we did in the previous round. So go ahead, chain 3 to get onto row 4, and now chain another 3. Go ahead and single crochet in that chain space there. Chain 3, because we're going to make a picot stitch. Like that. Single crochet. That's given us a nice little picot stitch there. Chain 3. 6 double crochets on top of the double crochets that we've already done in the previous round. So 2, 3, 4, 5, and the last one 6. Chain 3. Single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet, chain 3, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet, chain 3, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet, chain 3, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet, chain 3, 6 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, picot stitch, single crochet, chain 3, 6 double crochet, and we're approaching the end now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, chain 3, and we're gonna slip stitch out of that, and that's our piece complete. I hope that this video was helpful for you. Please comment, like, subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything to subscribe, but it means the absolute world to me. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day. Take care. Bye.